Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome to It's Paper Guy! I saw this game while browsing itch.io because you know how I love indie games, and free ones at that. But I saw this, and I was just like, oh, that's cute. And then I was reading their description, and two words caught my eye that were in tandem with one another. Innocent pleasure. I knew it was for me. I had to play it, and I am. It's cute and paper, and you cut things. That's about all I know about it. And I believe it's all hand-drawn. Flap, 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 flap. Ooh, squirrels. This is your friend. Arrow keys to move. Oh. Whee! Poof. Oh no, he's adorable. What if I cut him? Nothing happens. You can cut almost everything in this world, which I admire at least. I can be meticulous and cut every single thing that I want. 'Cause I can! But also it's just adorable, so. I also like playing with physics. You can make things bounce here. And apparently this is also a puzzle game. There's apparently things that can get stuck. Oh dear. The only thing that's... Oh, you can't cut those ones. That's a shame. Hello? Are you okay back there? Oh dear. Oh no. Oh, okay, we're just gonna leave him be. Run, little bunnies! Running hard! Oh, that finally fell. Good job, me! Apparently that was a puzzle. I'm just cutting everything that I want and can, so... Everything deserves to be cut. No one is safe. No one is safe. No one at all. Oh dear. I've done it once again. I can go this way? Apparently, what's over this way? A tunnel, it seems. I can cut everything in the background. I love it. Okay, it was quite a strong fish. You can juggle the fish. Oh dear. Oop, I missed. I'm not fast enough! Now you don't have a bucket. Now what are you gonna do? Hi, bunnies! Okay. I can't cut the oh no, I'm stuck. Oh, come on. There you go. I'm trimming all the trees, where I can make a path for me. My forest. The only thing I can think of is the meme of my forest. Fuck your chicken strips! Fuck your forest! Not really, the forest is wonderful, but fuck your forest. Oh, sorry, Mr. Squirrel. Squirrel! Oh, something clicked in front of my screen and I saw it! You can't hide from me! I can cut the clouds. I can cut the clouds. I see the windmill in the distance. There's a bone there. Good dog. Oh. Good boy. What a good boy you are. Such a good boy. What a good dog. Best dog. Such a good dog. Fuck these flowers. Cut down an apple tree. Ooh. I don't know what I'm doing. This is just I am very meticulous and I want to cut everything down. Oh, that's amazing. Love it. I can destroy everything. That's not natural. What was that supposed to do? I don't know, but I did it anyway. Poof! How dare they? House. Why would I want a house? I like the advantage that I can cut everything. I love it so much. I don't think that's natural. We're free! I can juggle a fish here apparently, but not over there! Wonderful. I can't see anything. Darn seagull. Hello? Bonsoir. Bonjour. Oh, it's a town. No dogs. Fuck your dog. Let me go destroy everything in this guy's house. Meow. Oh, they're friends! Adorable, iconic. I love it. Give me more. Okay, I can't leave that way. That's disappointing. Oh well. I destroyed their house. It's perfect. Fuck that. Fuck those. Fuck this school and or church, whatever the fuck this is. Fuck it, I'm gonna destroy it. Oh, it's a library. You're welcome. The barber shop? Good day, barber. I can cut things too. Ta-da, you're welcome. Shop? Fuck your supplies. I now have a rubber ducky. I love it. Thank you. I squeak now. I squeak. Bonsoir. Well, I fixed your passion. But can you really rest for a while? Huh? 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 Can you? Can you? I don't think you can. Oh, I'm stuck on a ledge. It's a boat! Oh, did I pop mine? Whoops. Can I have another? Thank you. Thank you very much. Come, come, doggy. We're going on a boat adventure. Time to go. You better be a good sailor. I'm not. This is so adorable and fun. Ah. No waves. I cut the waves. I also cut the clouds. Iceberg! Oh, it just goes through. It's fine. Kraken was back there. Aye. We ain't going to Davy Jones' locker just yet. Nope. 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 Stop polluting the environment. Hold of the sounds in this game are handmade. I love it. Why can't I cut these things? Oh. Oh, I think this is the end of the game. Oh no! Yep. Coffee! You made a friend. Rock, paper, scissors. Please don't cut the music. Might have to cut this part. Hey, no need if you're here. Haha. The end. There's no end. Thank you for playing. Aww. This was adorable! I know I missed a few things, but it's still adorable. Definitely, if you're interested, go check it out in the description below. Link to their itch.io page. It's Paper Guy! We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!